Man, those holders, y'all are really seeing the true colors of the SAITAMA community right now. Y'all seeing the real true colors of the SAITAMA community. Now, the charts have been steady, okay, even with the low holder count, but we know that the holder count is going up right now. But the charts have been steady, and what I told you all in the beginning when we were having the crazy sell-offs, right? When we were having the sell-offs, that was not really a big deal. And I told individuals that. But what we're seeing is the holders, the long-term holders that we're having, the steady holders that we're having after we rid ourselves of the short-term flippers. I told y'all that's what we was going to do. We had to weed out the short-term flippers, the paper hands. Okay, and the thing is this, I made videos going back to SAITAMA V1, and I told individuals that this would happen. All right, I told y'all out there that this would happen. I said, watch what's going to happen. What's going to happen is we're going to have sell-offs of when V1 right now, when V2 gets close, V1, a lot of the V1 paper hands were going to sell off. I said they were going to sell off, and we're going to rid ourselves of a lot of those paper hands that have been waiting around for SAITAMA to pump. And that's what happened. That is exactly what happened. And what I told other individuals, I said, this is not over with. Do y'all remember that video? I told y'all, I said, this is not over with. I said, have more patience. This is just the beginning of the sell-offs. I said, when V1 get here, these are going to be the second wave of paper hand sellers right here. Now, who are these sellers? They're different from the paper hand sellers that sold off at the tail end of V1. These are the ones that's actually waiting around to get a little bit more bang for their buck, to get a little bit more of a return. Those first wave of V1 paper hand sellers, those were individuals, right? These were individuals who just did not have the patience anymore. They did not even want to wait to see if they can get a little bit more return when V2 came out. Okay, either they didn't have the patience to wait, or they just had no confidence that V2 was going to go anywhere. Okay, now as we see, if they had held on, okay, and got their airdrops, they would have made probably double their money or whatever it is. Okay. They would have made double their money. And that right there, that's the price you pay for not having patience. That is the price you pay for not having patience. All right. And now we're starting to see the effects of the first wave selling off and the second wave selling off. I told y'all when the second wave sold off, we was going to see a steady consolidation in the charts. And that's what we're seeing. You're seeing these. You are seeing these small sales, big buy, small sales, big buy, small sales, big buy, and then you're seeing these big buys. Okay, like we're at the like I think we're still at the 4.0 range or the 4.1 range, one of them right now. All right, you're starting to see a lot of those big buys. Okay, and you're still seeing just a little bit of the small sales. Okay, so the good is far outweighing the bad, which is actually a good thing. And what this also does, okay, I'm going to tell you one more thing. I'm going to tell you something else to look for, okay? What this does is it creates confidence, okay? It creates confidence for a lot of individuals, right, that's getting their airdrops to hold. These are individuals, right, who may have been thinking of selling. All right, these are individuals who may have been thinking of selling. They're seeing how steady the charts are. So there's actually a positive to for the individuals, right, who are still waiting on airdrops, because this chart right here, okay, it's allowing the individuals who are waiting, it's allowing them to rethink their decisions. Now, you do whatever you want to do. But like I said, a lot of these individuals who make these sale decisions, okay, those are not their, a majority of them are not their decisions. Some of them are making decisions based off not understanding or misunderstanding the whole situation, okay, of the SAITAMA situation. And some of them are selling based off of FUD, okay, which is not their decisions. We all know that those are the decisions of the FUDers. Okay, the FUDers are basically telling them to sell. Okay, but what this wait is doing for individuals who are waiting, and just think about it, right? We're at like 70K or near 70K. I'm not in the house to check my computer right now, my laptop, to see where we're at, but we're close to 70K holders, right? We may be there already. Okay, so just imagine we're down like what, 200 and we're down 300K more holders, right, this coming in. So how many of those holders, right, how many of those holders are sitting back waiting for airdrops, all right, that are going to change their mind? How many are going to change their mind? This right here is a blessing in disguise, probably, this whole airdrop situation, because you have a lot of would-be sellers, okay, that are probably now going to hold because they see the strength in the project, they see the strength and the strongness in the charts, and they like, yo, we're on to something right now. I like this. I'm starting to like this right now. So what's going to happen is when they get their airdrops, a lot of them are going to hold. A lot of them are going to hold because you know what they're going to be looking at? They're going to be looking at those 2 zeros. They know a lot of these, a lot of the individuals waiting for their airdrops, they know that SAITAMA has the ability right now with a steady follow, like a steady holders right now, strong holders, even at 70K holders. They know SAITAMA has the ability to kill that first zero. All right. They know that SAITAMA also has the ability to kill 2 zeros as they get closer and closer to that 370K holder mark. Okay. So what do individuals want? They want the wealth that comes with that. Okay, they want the financial freedom that's going to come with that. They want this project to hit 1 cent. They want this project to hit $1. Okay? Right now their minds are shifting. They're figuring out, well, damn, how much of this can I buy before it hits $1? Okay? How much can I buy for it to hit $1? How much can I buy to benefit from like the reflections? Okay, because we know that the reflections have been going crazy. Okay, they're getting different mindsets. So just imagine, we would not have been in this situation if we had have halted trading, okay, and just concentrated on like the airdrops. We would not have been in this situation. So this is actually a positive. This is a positive. Now, I told y'all, when I bring out SAITAMA content, this is how I talk about my SAITAMA content. I give y'all facts. Okay, I give y'all facts and I give y'all speculation of what could be, and more than likely a lot of that speculation come to light, okay, in hindsight. Okay, does this make sense of what I'm saying to y'all? Does the situation with the airdrops being the process that it is, does it make sense that benefits SAITAMA? Does it make sense that benefits the charts? It makes sense, right? So watch, when these individuals get their airdrops, okay, they're going to be holding. A lot of individuals are going to be holding because they've changed their mind. All right, so I wanted to make this this video right here, y'all, and give y'all some big picture insight. All right, and remember, okay, every now will be history tomorrow, and y'all either have patience in this crypto investing space or y'all lose in the end, and y'all don't want to be no losers. All right, this is my video, and I will catch y'all on the up and up. Howdy.